Hey everybody, it's Nikki with Nikki B Creates, back to do another DIY project with you. Today I'm using the Chalk Couture House Cutouts. These wood cutouts are so stinking adorable. There's so many ways to use them. But today I'm going to be doing some decoupaging with those. I've got some cute decorative tissue paper that I've picked up from Zazzle, and I am taking some Mod Podge, and I'm just going to put a light layer on top of that wood cutout. And then I'm going to take the tissue paper, smooth it out over top of it. I want to dry it just a bit to get that Mod Podge on the bottom dry, but I don't have to get it all the way dry. I just want to make sure it's on there good enough to take the sander around the edge of the block and get that tissue paper off. Now I just put another layer of Mod Podge on top, and now I am blow drying that pretty much almost until it's all the way dry. And then I'm going to flip this over and do the same process on the back. I did get a little heavy-handed with that Mod Podge this time around, but just a napkin or probably like a paper towel or baby wipe is a really good thing to get any excess Mod Podge off. I mean, it's basically like glue, so it's not anything major to worry about. But again, I'm just doing the same thing, placing that down, smoothing it out, sanding around the edges to make a clean tear, and then layering it again with some more Mod Podge so that it dries and gives it a really pretty clear coat. Station off and get ready to take my other wood cutout and do my normal chalking. So I'm using our Cute House Patterns transfer. This D-size transfer gives you so many options and choices of things to put on it, but I'm just going to keep this one simple, just use some of our quotes. As you see, I am waxing that wood first with a finishing wax that just puts a barrier between the wood and the chalk paste, because sometimes you make mistakes with the chalks, and the chalk is very forgiving, but that having that barrier down just makes it easier in case something happens and I need to pull that chalk up. I reduce the chances of that paste bleeding all the way through the wood and staining the wood and not being able to use it again. I mean, most of these wood cutouts are one-time use, but that wax really just helps create that good barrier, especially if you're layering the wax and doing projects that require multiple layers of chalk. You definitely want to put that wax to create a barrier between the wood surface and between the chalk layers. So I've chosen colors that kind of match the succulents. If you were wondering, I wanted it to be as close as possible. I didn't quite have that purple, but our current jam was the closest I had, but it's really cute. I love the way this turned out. I can flip them either way and it just looks great. You can find these cutouts on my Square shop at nikkibcreates.com along with other finished items. If you're looking to become a designer like myself and start a business, our Fall/Winter Starter Kit is now available. This is our second largest designer season of the year, and it contains fresh new releases, so don't hesitate to jump on board. You can work your business by selling finished pieces, hosting online workshops and parties, or simply go live and create some amazing personalized decor and DIY gifts, shirts, and more. If you're looking for a hobby or want to make your own personalized items, you can sign up for Club Couture. It's our $19 monthly subscription service that allows you to receive new projects each month. So tell some crafty friends and start the subscription together. To check out all of our products and services, go on over to nikkibcreates.com. My Square shop contains finished items that are ready to ship. You can also find the link to my personal Chalk Couture site and catalog full of amazing products and examples for you to see the variety of ways you can create beautiful pieces that will definitely have people asking where you found such great decor. To enroll, go to nikkibcreates.com. See you all again soon.